One search of this website can make money in 2021. First, go to Google. Type in ClickBank. Signing up is very straightforward. Once log in, go to the marketplace. Then click on categories and pick a niche. Next, go to attributes and drill down that niche by ticking the following: recurring, $1 trial, and must have affiliate tool page. Now you will see the list of products that offers the best chance of making money online. And by looking at the gravity of that item, you can determine how well it is doing. The higher the gravity indicates the amount of successful time it has sold within the last 30 days. Likewise, the lower the gravity, the lower it has sold and performed. Once you have picked a suitable item, check the affiliate tool page. Here you will find everything you need, like email swipes, VSL or video sales letters, images and ads. Now it's time to start making money with that offer. But first, you need to grab what is called a hot link and insert your ClickBank username into that link. You now created the link that's going to ensure that you get paid if you make a sale. And by clicking the link in the description below, we show you how you can get tons of traffic coming to your link, leading to potential recurring commission and profits as soon as today. So click the link below and get started.